Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Pipedrive and Salesflare. Pipedrive and Salesflare are both popular customer relationship management tools, but they offer different features and are designed with different types of users in mind. Pipedrive is a CRM platform designed primarily for sales teams. It's known for its intuitive visual interface that helps salespeople manage leads, deals, and workflows. Pipedrive offers a highly visual sales pipeline where you can easily track deals and move them through various stages. Pipedrive automates repetitive tasks like follow-ups, lead assignment, and reminders, which can save time and improve sales efficiency. You can customize stages in your sales pipeline, fields, and overall workflows to match your sales process. It provides detailed insights into your sales performance, including tracking, sales metrics, and forecasting. Pipedrive offers integration with many third-party apps like Google Workspace, Slack, Zapier, and more. Pipedrive syncs with email clients to track communication, schedule follow-ups, and track open rates. It offers a mobile app for salespeople to access their CRM data on the go. Sales teams that need a visual, easy-to-use CRM with a focus on managing the sales pipeline and closing deals. It is suitable for small to mid-sized businesses that need to streamline their sales processes. Pipedrive is highly intuitive and visual. It is good for managing a sales pipeline and tracking deals, lots of customization options, and strong reporting and analytics. While Salesflare is an AI-powered CM designed to automatically handle much of the data entry and repetitive tasks, offering more automation than Pipedrive. It's particularly suited for teams that want a more hands-off approach to CRM management. Salesflare uses AI to automatically collect and update customer information from emails, calendars, and social media, reducing the manual effort required for data entry. It automatically updates contact information and provides contextual insights based on emails, phone calls, and meetings. It tracks the entire sales journey from lead capture to deal closure, offering insights into each step of the process. It integrates with your email to track open rates, schedule follow-ups, and manage communication with leads. It offers the ability to customize your sales pipeline, though the focus is on automating much of the process. It provides reports and insights on sales performance, deal stages, and team activities. It works well with other tools like Google Workspace, Zapier, and more. Small to medium-sized businesses, particularly those looking for an automated, hands-off CRM experience. Teams that prioritize automating data entry and staying focused on sales activities instead of CRM maintenance. Salesflare is strong AI automation that reduces manual data entry, simple interface that's easy to use, and great for companies that want a set and forget CRM. Choose Pipedrive if you want a highly visual and customizable CRM with powerful pipeline management features. It's ideal if you have a well-defined sales process that you want to manage in detail and need strong reporting and forecasting features. And choose Salesflare if you want a more automated experience with AI-driven features that reduce manual effort. It's a great choice if you want to focus on selling and don't want to spend time updating CRM data. It's especially useful if you need to automate data entry and have a smaller team that wants to keep things simple. So basically, this is the difference between Pipedrive and Salesflare. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.